Bujugakana. Today I'm going to share a very brief story in the Ojibwe language that we used in one of my classes. This was actually for an intermediate Ojibwe language class, so the students there have really only had a couple of semesters of Ojibwe language instruction. So I picked vocabulary choices and conjugation forms that would be maybe a little bit more basic, but still sufficient to put a whole story together. And what I'll do is just share the story in Ojibwe and give you some English language translation in a written form rather than speaking that. But then afterwards, we'll kind of go through it line by line, and I'll just share a little snippet of the class recording, which will show me building the story line by line, and then the students breaking it down and trying to translate it for deeper understanding. Miigwech. Abeding mewija, giani akoziwag nishinabeg. Gawin mashkiki in dayanzin gia jaabajituyan giakedomindemuye. Ingi nondana yamuad mashkiki awasiwidi bakano denang zibing. Onzam dash ishbagunaga gina kwe tage wan o Zhiishiiban. Gawinigi kendezin geijit chigeyang. Ani dibikak gina bawak. Gaa-pawaanaad ha Ikwezens o Gaa-pawaanaad Zhiishiiban. Ani gikije bawagak o winda mawan oko misan Gaa-pawaadang. Miu geijit chigeyan. Gawinigi kendezin giekido. Na nagada wendan. Miu gaijit chiged. Ogi mamunan mitigunsan minua neabin. Ogi tijikanan gabe gijik. Owego neno no. Inashke jishi bozidan no. Ginakwe tage. Inka bizi kanan minua inka bimose wagajai guning. Miu gaijit chiged. Mi winatum. Gi agimo said bizi kang jishi bozidan. Ho wa? O gi nazikan o denang minawa o gi aje giwe widunan mashkikin. Gawin geabi gi akuzi siwa ganishinabeg. Bizindan. Bawadaman gegu giana. Miu. Abeding. Mewija. Gi. Ani. Akuzi wag. Anishinabeg. Sanagad. All right, Justin, what's going on here? Abeding mewija giani akuzi wag anishinabeg.
Pretty sure Aberdeen means outside.
Oh, that's ugwudging.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so Abeding.
Like you said.
Again, I'm giving you a hint here. Abeding. One time.
Oh.
Yep. What's akuzi?
It's sick.
Sick.
And
Yep.
what is
They. Yep.
And Anishinaabe is natives.
Yeah, one time. The natives. Yep. What's gi?
Past tense.
Yep. What's that ani thing? Might have been a while since I threw one of those at you. Gawin and Nugget came to Zine. Who wants to help him out? What's ani?
Progress.
Yeah.
Yep.
Progressing or becoming. Yeah. So
Becoming.
one time
Yeah.
the natives were like getting sick. Now we just need this mewija. What's mewija? One time, long ago, the natives were getting sick. And it sounds like a sad story.
Sounds like the Treuers in Mexico.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we also had security called on us too. That was because we were playing charades and my kids were so loud that they called the cops. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I've got videos if you want to see them. I won't post them to social media because, you know. Yeah. But we did put some things together. Gawin mashkiki. In Dayanzin. Je'aba Jetuyan. Giikido. Mindemuye. Kawin Mashkiki and Dayanzin Je'aba Jetuyan Giikido Mindemuye. All right, Margie, what do you think?
I don't have any medicine to use, it said the old woman.
Yes. I don't have any medicine to use, said the old woman. Ingi nondan. Ayamawad. Awas. Iwidi. Pakanu denang. Zibing. Oh, I gotta put a little quote mark on there. Okay, Roxanne, see what you can make of this. Inginondan ayamawad. Maybe I'll throw in another just to clarify. Mashkiki. Awasiwidi bakano denang zibing. See what you can make.
Okay, let's see. Well, I know it's past tense. I didn't listen to something medicine over there. Is it the Dakota town by the river?
Yeah, the village by the river. Yeah, so where's the don't?
Ayamawad. I think they didn't have medicine.
Yeah, it's there's no don't there. I heard.
Oh,
Yep.
they
And you
had
heard
medicine.
just-
Oh, I heard they had medicine over there
Yes,
in the Dakota River town or
further over there.
wherever.
Yeah, so Apuan is a Dakota, but Bakan is a different one. So like I heard that they have medicine further over there. Yeah,
Okay,
the other village
other village.
by the river. Onzam dash. Ishpagunaga. Ginakwaitage. Ginakwaitage 1. Ojish. Ojishe. Yum. All right. See what you can make of this one, Ginatum. Christopher. Oh, you're still on mute there. Christopher, can't hear you.
Too much. Gawin ingekeen zin ish pagona ga.
Oh yeah, Dibishkugu Ishbiming Goon.
Ishpamingun.
Yeah, to be high or deep snow.
Oh, too much there is deep snow. He asked, or yeah. Nakote. He replied his grandchild, I'm assuming,
Yes.
his or her grandchild.
Yeah, the snow's too deep, replied her grandchild. So this is just a VII, Ishpagundaga, there is deep snow. Onzam means like overly or too much. Yeah, which is a good nickname for one of my kids. I just call him Onzam.
What's the purpose of the dash there?
It's like and or but. Maybe I should throw that in there. Yeah. They're saying there's medicine in the other village, and the grandkid says, but the snow's too deep. Yeah. Then this is something we haven't worked as much with you, although maybe Christopher remembers
It's
it.
obviated.
Yeah, the obviation. And so instead of saying Gina Quaitage, she replied, it's really marking that the grandma was the center here of that story. You can shift in mid-story, but a lot of times when they start one off, they'll keep the point of view clarified. So it's almost like putting it in the plural, Nkwe wug, and then changing the final letter G to an N. That's the VAI, obviation. Yep, so that it's clear it's the grandkid who's replying, not the grandma. Okay. Kawin. Ingekain dazin. Gay. Ijit chige. Young. All right. Gawin ingekain dazin. Gay. Ijit chige young. All right. Mariah. Ginatum.
I don't understand.
Gay. Ijit chige young. See what you can figure out here. What's Ijit chige?
Make things a certain way.
Yeah, a da da da, a do do do. All right. I don't know who remembers the police. It's just Roxanne and Christopher. That's it. This is really, it's a tough age, you guys. All right. So Ijit is to do something like Anishwa Ijit Yan. What else can you figure out there? What do you think gay is? GE.
Future tense.
Yeah, so both da and ka change to GE when you've got it in the B in the C form. Yeah. So I don't know, and then we just got to figure out one more part. In this part, I have not formally shown you since we were working on VAIs. So see what you can guess. Young.
They, them, us.
Yes, it's us, we. I don't know. Yeah. What we should do. Man, I don't know what we should do. What do you think's gonna happen, you guys? Ani dibikuk. Gi nibawag. All right. Comus, what's going on here? Ani dibikuk gi nibawag. What do you recognize here? What's dibikuk?
Getting.
Yeah, so the first part is it's getting. Yep, like getting or along towards. Yep, dibikuk. Do you need to phone a friend for help with that part? Yeah? You got it, Egawa Teshkung?
When it's night.
Yeah, so along towards night, gi nibawag. All right, Comus, what do you get here? What's gi?
We.
Gi.
Ugly.
Gi, we, da, gi.
I just. Stop. I can't think. Okay. E.
Gi. You got this. Give me more things
Oh.
to throw.
It's past tense.
Past tense. Holy moo. Okay, yes. So long towards night, something happened. Gi niba wug. What's the wug? When you throw a little wug on there.
Do we? Do the one?
Yeah, like
Is
we
that-
see wug. Plural. They niba.
Sleep.
Yes, they slept. Okay, long towards night, they slept. Gaa-pawaanaad. Ikwezens. Pawaadang. All right, I should do this. Gaa-pawaanaad. Ikwezens. All right.
Oh.
I was gonna add some more on there.
Gitara.
Mono. All right. Gaa-pawaanaad. Zhiishiiban. All right, Egawateshkan, here we go. You wanted more.
It's Jones she that little girl dreamed,
Yes, that girl dreamed.
and then she. Are they sure what that Pawaanaad is also dream?
Yep, that's the dream of someone.
Oh, she dreamed of that duck that passed away.
Yeah, she dreamed of a duck.
Oh,
Yeah.
Zhiishiiban, aviation.
Right, aviation,
I was
right.
thinking it bun.
Oh yeah, I get you. Yep. Yeah, Zhiishiiban would be if it was a now deceased duck. But yes, that girl dreamed. She dreamed of a duck.
Wabung.
Oh, you got to take off.
Inga is we make.
Oh, okay. Ang Guam is in each.
Again.
Uh-huh. Probably got to get his knee looked at again. What? That girl dreamed. She dreamed of a duck. Do you guys think that this dream of a duck can save the day? What? Did I tell you this one before? Gawin. Okay, good. Ani. Gaa-pawaanaad. Ogi. Gaa-pawaanaad. Ikwezens. Yeah. Maybe I'll add this. Gaa-pawaanaad. All right. Coming to you. Let's see here. Margie. Ani Gaa-pawaanaad ogi Gaa-pawaanaad Ikwezens Gaa-pawaanaad.
When it was becoming the morning, I know it has something to do with a ducks.
I've been showing you this. It's a VTA. Weaned them out. You remember that one, Chris?
Yeah, weaned them out. Talk to or explain to her grandmother? Is that what's going on there? Told, yeah.
She told her grandmother.
Yeah.
Gaa-pawaanaad. What do you think here, Margie?
About the duck.
Yeah. Yeah, what she dreamed. So you got the word dream in 3 different verb types. Bawajige is just a dream, V-A-I. Bawan is to dream of somebody, V-T-A. And bawaadun is to dream of something, V-T-I. So they all have the same root, the bawa part, but they have slightly different endings. Bawajige, and a lot of the VAIs have an ige ending. A lot of the VTIs have an AN ending. Yeah. And then bawan or bawaj for to dream of someone. All right. Meet you. Ge-ije chigeyan. Meet you. Ge-ije chigeyan. All right, Justin, what do you think?
I know Ijikayan is like, what are you doing?
Right.
But
What are you gonna do? So meet you is like, that's it. That's what? Gay.
is it just a change to gi?
Changed da or da. That's what you. That's what you should do. How do you do it, duck, you guys? Rank, 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 rank. Gawin. Ingekeen de zien. Giekedo. All right, Gina Tum Roxanne.
I don't know, she said.
Yeah, I don't know. She said. Na naga de Waindan. Na naga de Waindan. All right, Gina Tum Mariah.
Ponder it.
Ponder it. Mm. Meet you. Ga. Is it chigid? Whoops. Is it chigid? All right. Meet you. Ga. Is it chigid? All right. Christopher.
It is that she did.
Yeah.
She
That's what she did. All right. Ogi Mamunan. Mitigusan. Minawa. Mayabin. All right. Ogi Mamunan Mitigusan Minawa Nayabin. All right, Comus, you're gonna do this. You got this. What's Mamoon? It's on your list.
Okay, take it.
Take it.
What did it be? She took.
Yes, she took Mitigusan. Anyone know what a Mitigus is?
Stick.
Sticks, yes. Okay, so she took sticks, Ninawa.
She took sticks again.
Yeah, and or against. She took sticks and, I don't know if I gave you this word yet, string. Yeah. Ogi Tajikanan. Begijik. All right. Let's see, whose turn? Ginatum. I think I'm back to you, Roxanne. Ogi Tajikanan Gabegijik.
Okay. She did something in the past every day.
Yep, Tajikan.
She not talked about it. Worked at it. Worked on it
She worked on them Gabegijik.
all day.
All
Every
day.
day.
Yep, she worked on them all day. Yep. Owego nain or no? Owego nain or no? All right, what do you think, Justin?
I want to say it's what's that? Or,
Yeah, what are these? No.
oh yeah. Oh.
Nashke. Zhiishiiban. Was it done? Or no? Ikwezens. All right. Zhiishiiban. Was it done? See what you can figure out. You want to try, Margie?
I'm sure. I think it has something to do with the duck.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know on Nashke.
That's like, look.
The duck, something, something that,
Was it done?
the duck,
These are duck. These are duck feet. Gina Quaitage.
she, is that what she's
Yeah, it's like to answer.
answered?
Yeah. Look, these are duck feet, she answered. In Kabizi Kanan. Minawa and Kabimose. Wagijai Guning. All right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my quote on there. See what you can make of that. Let's see. Christopher.
I shall put them on. Also, or I shall wear them. I shall put them on or wear them. Also, I shall walk. I'm assuming that's on the surface of the snow. Is that it?
Yep.
On the top of the snow.
Yeah, and I'm gonna walk on top of the snow. What? Mio Gaishigade. Yep. Me. Ween tum. Gi agimosed. Easy kung. Zhiishiiban. Was it done? All right. Let's see. I guess I could put this into a couple of lines here and make it a little easier. All right. Meet yoga. Is it chigade? Ginatum Mariah.
That's what they did.
Yeah, that's what she did. Yeah, me weena tungi agi mose busy kung Zhiishiiban ozidan. All right, whose turn is it now? Roxanne?
Well, I know when she put on the duck feet at the end there.
Yep. It's like she was the first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, weena tung, her first. She was the first one. Gi agim osed. What's a agim?
Oh,
Snowshoe.
snowshoes.
Yes, she was the first one to snowshoe. Yeah. Putting on the duck feet. What? Oh, what? Ogi. Nazikan. Odenang. Minawa. Ogi. Whoops. Aw. Oje. Giwe widun none. Mashkikin. All right. Hoa. Ogi nazikan. Odenang. Minawa. Ogi aje giwe widunan. Mashkikin. All right. See what you can make of that one, Margie.
Hoa, she approached town and she carried the medicine.
Yes. What? Kapengeabi. Giak was the Siwag. Anishinaabe. All right, Justin, what's going on there? Gawin Geabi, Giak was the Siwag Anishinaabe.
People weren't sick.
Yes. The people were no longer sick. Yeah. Isn't done. Bawa daman gegu. Isn't done. Bawa daman gegu. Giena. All right. Christopher.
Listen to it when you dream something, she said.
Yes. Yeah, she was told.
She was told.
Listen to it when you dream of something. Yeah, dreams are really important.